Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome. Your browser is managed by your organization. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up Google Chrome and just go ahead and find Chrome Policy Remover. Okay, hit on enter, and then you'll be able to find a website from Stefan VD right here. You can open it up, and once that's done, scroll down and find the download the policy remover section. Click on download right here, and don't worry, this one is very, very safe. Okay, you'll have a pop-up. Click on close right here. Okay, so again, click on it. Now you can go ahead and download it for Mac or Windows. You can just select whatever you want, and if you want to, you can go and make a small donation right here. Okay, now here we have the bat file. So go ahead and find it, or click on the folder, close it. Now you can go ahead and right click on it, and then just click on Run as Administrator. If you're hesitant, you can go ahead and edit it with Notepad just to check. Okay, so what it's going to do is going to delete these registries, okay, from your computer, such as the policy registries for your Google Chrome. All right, once you've reviewed the code or commands, well, you can just go ahead and right click Run as Administrator, click on Run. There'll be a pop-up. Just click on yes, and the command line will open. Okay, just wait for it. It's going to say errors for my end because I don't have the problem anymore. I already removed it. Okay, just like so. So once that's actually done, you're going to go ahead and press any key to exit out. And after that, just restart your computer. And once done, you're good to go. That is how you fix Google Chrome. Your browser is managed by your organization. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.